Mr. Governor, we Nigeria Labour Congress, we are here today to register our protest before you. This protest is nationwide strike. We Nigeria Labour Congress, we were supposed to go on indefinite strike a month ago. The federal government took us to court and restrained us. After then, we give them another 1 week ultimatum to go back to status quo so that we can start discussing the issue of the removal of fuel subsidy. Yet, they didn't. The removal of fuel subsidy in Nigeria has caused hardship to the Nigerian workers, not only Nigerian workers, the entire citizen of Nigeria. We can no longer go to market to buy things as before. If you buy fuel of 10,000 naira in your vehicle today, you can only manage to go to your place of work and come back. You can't go to other places. At that point, we still want to thank you, Mr. Governor, if not for you saying workers of Edo State to be coming to work 3 days in a week, we could have been making it. Today, we are saying the President of the nation, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, should allow Nigeria citizens to breathe. Is that not what we say? We want the 3 refineries we have in Nigeria to be fixed so that we can refine our crude oil and sell for ourselves at a very meager amount. And at the same time, there are modern refineries in the state. We want him to also give license to them so that they can refine crude oil and sell to the people of Nigeria.
You have heeded the call of the security agencies that your protest should be peaceful. You have every right as citizens of Nigeria to protest against any issues that you are not happy about. So you are acting within your constitutional rights. You recall on May Day, I warned Labour that we are likely to face the conditions, the situation we are seeing today. And I advised you in that speech that you should not wait. You should be proactive. You should be ahead of the game. But we are where we are today. I want to let you know that in Edo State, we are labor friendly.
Very.
2 years ago, did we not increase minimum wage?
Yes.
Was the situation as bad as this then?
No.
The reason is that we know that workers are suffering. We know that workers are suffering and we have to do something about it. We know that your take-home pay can no longer take you home. Something must be done. We in Edo State will support your action that your wages must reflect the current reality.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
I also want to alert you that you should reject the so-called palliatives they want to give you. It is a continuation of the fraud that the federal government has always undertaken against the people of Nigeria.
Yes.
We have local governments. The so-called money for the palliatives should be given to the local governments to take care of people at the local government. Don't tell me that you have given contracts to go and buy grains in Abuja. The cost of transporting those grains alone to the local governments is enough to give people the money in the local governments so that they can buy food from their own locality. Yes. So we must stop this palliative fraud of the federal government. I want to call on Labour, reject federal government palliative. Let them give the local governments the money to give the people, because the government that is closest to the people is the local government. Federal government has no business buying grains, giving contracts at exorbitant prices to buy palliatives for the people across the 774 local governments in Nigeria. We must stop this fraud. We cannot continue to be insensitive as government. We in Edo State are going to do our own bit. I have decided that every month going forward, we will take 500 million from our money to give to the poorest of the poor in Edo State. We are not waiting for anybody. So, my dear comrades, I have received your letter. I will send it to the person it has been addressed to, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In Edo State, we will continue to work with you. We will continue to empathize with you. We will continue to work as one, Labour and government, to do as much as we can to salvage the bad situation we found ourselves. The APC government has thrown us in this mess. We cannot ignore that fact. And we must, as Nigerians, do something to get out of this mess we are in.